Greetings, fellow mechas. Today we're going to be going over property of integrals. The problem. Assume that the integral from 0 to 5 f of x dx is equal to 3, and the integral 0 to 7 f of x dx is equal to negative 10. Evaluate the following integrals. In part A, the integral 0 to 7, 2 times f of x dx. In part B, the integral 5 to 7 f of x dx, and in part C, the integral 5 to 0 f of x dx. Now pause this video, take a few minutes, and solve this problem. Welcome back. Hopefully you're able to solve this problem. Now let's work on it together. So in part A, we need to evaluate the integral from 0 to 7 of 2 f of x dx. So how can we do this? Well, the first thing we can do is we can take our constant out in front of our integral. So this is going to be equal to 2 times the integral of 0 to 7 of f of x dx. And the problem states that f of x dx from 0 to 7 is equal to negative 10. Therefore, this is going to be equal to 2 times negative 10, which is equal to negative 20. So in part A, our integral from 0 to 7 of 2 f of x dx is equal to negative 20. Now in part B, we need to find the integral of 5 to 7 f of x dx. So how are we going to solve this? Well, we need to find the intersection, essentially, between 0 to 7 and 0 to 5. So to do that, we'll take our integral, so this is going to be equal to the integral 0 to 7 f of x dx minus the integral 0 to 5 f of x dx, because this gives us the intersection of the integral 5 to 7 f of x dx. So this is going to be equal to, for what the problem states, so this is 0 to 7 f of x dx, the integral of that is negative 10, minus the integral of 0 to 5 f of x dx, which is equal to 3, so plus a negative, this is going to be equal to negative 13. So in part B, the integral from 5 to 7 f of x dx is equal to negative 13. Now in part C, we need to find the integral of 5 to 0 f of x dx. So how do we do this? Well, we need to essentially flip it from 5 to 0 to 0 to 5. And how we do that? Well, we can essentially just times the whole thing by negative 1. So by doing that, by taking like the inverse, sort of, you get negative and then 0 to 5 now instead of 5 to 0 of f of x dx. And now, from what the problems gave us, 0 to 5 f of x dx is 3. So we get negative 3 as our answer. So in part C, 5 to 0 f of x dx is equal to negative 3. And that is the solution to this problem. I hope this video helped. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking this video.